Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi, my name is Jitsun Wangmo. I'm going to be talking about top 3 things which I feel that you should be doing right from the beginning of your preparation. I graduated from IIM Kozhikode back in 2016. I work as a marketing manager for 3M India. Guys, I still remember the day that I went for my PI. I was super nervous. I spent a lot of time preparing for maths, understanding the concepts from basics. So if there's something that you think that you're struggling with, spend a lot more time on that. But 10 minutes down the line, something in the interview happened which put me completely at ease. Guess what that was? Just practicing for GDPI and improving your communication will help you not only get into MBA but also to in your corporate journey once you're done with your MBA as well. Hi, my name is Jitsun Wangmo, I graduated from IIM Kozhikode back in 2016. I work as a marketing manager for 3M India, and I'm here to share some of my quick tips on what helped me crack my CAT exam. Couple of things that worked for me was, one, be very sure of what you want to achieve, what the goal is, right? And identify your weaknesses right in the beginning itself, and spend time to fix those. I spent a lot of time preparing for maths, understanding the concepts from basics. So if there's something that you think that you're struggling with, spend a lot more time on that. The third part would be to practice for GDPI as much as you can, but regardless of whether you crack the interviews or not, or whether you reach the interview stage. Just practicing for GDPI and improving your communication will help you not only get into MBA but also to in your corporate journey once you're done with your MBA as well. And finally, don't forget to have fun. Don't get bogged down. Don't compare yourself to everybody around. Just kind of focus on your own weaknesses and see whether you fixed those or not. And yeah, study hard. There's no shortcut. It is hard work. That's all for me. Thank you. Guys, I still remember the day that I went for my PI. I was super nervous, I almost felt out of my mind entering into that room. But 10 minutes down the line, something in the interview happened which put me completely at ease. Guess what that was? The interviewer and I were bonding on the books we have read. That you heard it right. That brings me to the main point of this video, which is what helped me get through all my interviews, and especially the VARC section in which I excelled in my CAT attempt. I'm going to be talking about top 3 things which I feel that you should be doing right from the beginning of your preparation, especially if you feel that VARC is not something which you naturally excel at. First thing, daily reading. I feel daily reading is completely underrated. Read as much as you can, be it newspapers, the editorials, any kind of literature you can get your hand on. If you do not love reading naturally, or if you do not enjoy reading, let's say books in particular, read the genre which you like to read, because a surprise element may come that you in the exam where you get an RC or a passage from a difficult topic meaning you don't have the kind of, let's say, familiarity with the topic, and you have a tough time comprehending it, right? So daily reading is a way to go. Second, start preparing or start working on your speaking skills from the start, because that helps you not only get through the VARC section, but it helps bring a continuity before your PI preparation. And the third and the last thing is vocab practice. Safe to say that not all of us have a lot of experience with the entire universe of vocabulary which we are supposed to internalize, practice and then remember in not only CAT exam but many other allied exams as well. And there's only one way to go about it. The way you practice maths questions, that's the exact way you practice vocabulary as well. Be it mind maps, be it mnemonics, whatever works for you in vocab, or even as something as easy as practicing on word power made easy. Everything you do is going to help you on the D-Day when you see those words, and you'll suddenly remember that you've read them, you know the meaning, and that will suddenly make the comprehension of the whole section pretty easy. So vocab practice is again something which you should not be neglecting for any exam, let alone CAT. These 3 things helped me get a really good score in VARC, because of which I sailed pretty nicely through my CAT attempt, and I hope they'll help you as well. All the best.